Good morning once again, my dear students. Continuing with our chapter accounting equation. Today I would like to tell you about some special transactions, and I would take examples to tell you what would be the treatment of these transactions in our accounting equation. Assets is equal to sum of liabilities and capital. Assume that we have cash 2 lakh rupees, the business is started with 2 lakh rupees and the capital is also 2 lakh. This is the first transaction. Now, special transaction number 1. Look here, accrued income. accrued income में कोई भी इनकम हो सकती है. फॉर एग्जांपल accrued rent, जो रेंट अभी हमें रिसीव नहीं हुआ है, accrued commission, accrued interest. सो कोई भी accrued income अगर आपके क्वेश्चन में दी हुई है तो आप उसको क्या करेंगे? accrued income is our asset. It is an income which is not received, right? We will receive it in near future. Means we have earned it, but till date it is not received. So in the asset side we will make a column accrued, suppose here rent, and it is if rupees 5,000, and because it is not received we will not add in the cash, we will add it in capital. Because whenever it will be received it will be an income for the firm and it should be added to our proprietor's capital. So total capital becomes 2,05,000 and there is no change in other things. Cash remains same, accrued rent becomes 5,000. This is our new equation. Asset side now we have two accounts, cash and accrued rent. Number 2, transaction number 2, income received in advance. Sometimes just opposite of this accrued income is earned but not received, whereas received in advance and income received in advance is something which we receive earlier and we deliver our service or give goods later. Delivery of the goods is made later or the delivery of the service is made later. So whatever is received in advance is our liability. So suppose commission received in advance is amounting to rupees 2,000. We will make one column of advance commission in liability side. That would be 2,000 rupees. If we have received 2,000 rupees advance commission, we will make liability advance commission one account and we will add that amount in cash because we have already received it, and then again we will make a new equation. New equation will be made like this: 2,00,000 will be our cash, 5,000 will be our accrued rent, 2,000 will be our advance commission, and 2,05,000 will be our capital. Next transaction is interest on capital. It is very, very important. Interest on capital is provided to the proprietor. Interest on capital is allowed to our proprietor who has invested rupees 2 lakh, at the time of commencement of business. And mind it, interest on capital is calculated on the opening capital. Opening capital is 2 lakh rupees. Mind it, this is our opening capital. This 2 lakh rupees opening capital. सो अगर इंटरेस्ट हम 10% दे रहे हैं ओपनिंग कैपिटल पे, या सपोज 5% दे रहे हैं ओपनिंग कैपिटल पे, 5% इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल on opening capital will be 5% of 2 lakh. 5% of 2 lakh will be 10,000. Now this 10,000 we have to pay to the proprietor. We have to pay to the proprietor. और जो ये 10,000 rupees interest on capital है, ये firm के लिए एक expense है, because firm has to pay it. To whom? To the proprietor. Proprietor is a separate legal entity. अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स में आपने पढ़ा, बिजनेस एंड बिजनेसमैन आर सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटी, सो वी हैव टू पे दिस, वी हैव टू पे दिस 10,000 टू द प्रोप्राइटर. सो वी विल ऐड रुपीज 10,000 इन कैपिटल, बिकॉज वी हैव टू पे टू द प्रोप्राइटर. और ये कैपिटल जो है प्रोप्राइटर का ही अकाउंट है, तो हमने 10,000 रुपए जो प्रोप्राइटर को देने हैं इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल उसमें ऐड कर दिए. But at the same time, we have to subtract it from the capital because it is also an expense for the business. Business के लिए ये एक expense है, and whatever is the expense, we have to subtract from capital. We have not subtracted it from cash because we have not paid anything in cash. We have simply subtracted it from the capital and simply added it in the capital because it is to be paid to the proprietor as interest on capital will be credited to his account. उसको हमने पे करना है और उसी के अकाउंट से माइनस होगा because he is the owner of the firm and the expenses are to be borne by him. That is why very important transaction, interest on capital. Interest on capital is an expense for the firm, therefore it is subtracted here and it is to be paid to the proprietor, so it is again added back to the capital. So no difference will be there of the amount. Again it will be 2,05,000, it will be 2,000 and cash will be again 2,02,000 plus 5,000 will be our accrued rent. No change. Last, interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is also similar to interest on capital. If proprietor withdraws some money out of business, को कैश अगर वो लेके जाता है अपने घर, it is called personal drawing. और उस ड्राइंग पे उसे इंटरेस्ट देना पड़ता है फर्म को. इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग इज चार्ज्ड फ्रॉम द प्रोप्राइटर. प्रोप्राइटर से इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग जो है वो चार्ज किया जाता है. चार्ज किया जाता है मतलब उससे लिया जाता है. इसका मतलब इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग इज एन इनकम फॉर द फर्म. तो अगर इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग इनकम है फर्म के लिए, तो इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग कैपिटल में ऐड होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि वो इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग फर्म के लिए फायदा है. तो कैपिटल में इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग हम ऐड करते हैं. सपोज इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग वाज 5,000, हमने कैलकुलेट करके बता दिया. उसके बाद लेनी किससे हमने इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग? प्रोप्राइटर से. तो प्रोप्राइटर से लेनी है, इसका मतलब कैपिटल में से ही 5,000 रुपीज माइनस होंगे. Means to say, because interest on drawing is income for the firm, therefore it must be added to the capital account. But it is to be charged from the proprietor himself. तो हम उन्हीं के अकाउंट से उसको माइनस भी कर देते हैं. सेम अकाउंट में, कैपिटल अकाउंट में 5,000 प्लस 5,000 माइनस, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आया, दोनों साइड विल स्टिल रिमेन सेम. तो ये न्यू इक्वेशन जो फाइनल इक्वेशन बनेगी हमारी, वो यही बनेगी कि कैश हमारे पास रहेगा 2,02,000, एक्रूड 5,000, इनकम कमीशन रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस 2, और इधर हो गया आपका 2 लाख. दोनों साइड का टोटल 2,07,000 है. असेट्स in the form of cash and accrued rent is 2,07,000 and liabilities plus capital 2,000 advance commission received और capital last में हो गई है 2,05,000, total 2,07,000. both the sides are equal, I hope these four very important transactions, we call them special transactions, are clear to you. If they are not, please watch the video again and see what is, just listen to the explanation. I hope you will get it. In case of any queries and doubts, feel free to call me and contact me. Stay at home. God bless you. God bless you and God bless you.